Hey everyone, welcome back to Tools Inspector. Today we've got 10 insanely smart home gadgets from Amazon that'll completely change how you live and how cool your house looks. From furniture that transforms in seconds to gadgets that defy gravity. These picks are futuristic, practical, and totally worth it. All links are in the description. Let's jump straight in. Number 1. Nathan James Jackson Wall-Mounted Floating Nightstand. Let's start classy. This wall-mounted nightstand floats off the floor, giving your room a clean, modern look while hiding all your bedtime chaos in a slick drawer. It's got open shelves for your phone, books, or secret snacks, and that dark walnut finish makes it look like something straight out of a design magazine. If you want your bedroom to scream minimalist luxury, this one's it. Number 2. Transformer Expandable Dining Table Set. This one is pure magic. It literally transforms from a coffee table into a full dining setup for up to 12 people. Perfect for apartments or small spaces, and it even hides the extra panels inside. 1 minute it's your laptop desk, the next it's dinner for a dozen. Basically, Optimus Prime, but for furniture. Number 3. FLEXIMOUNTS 4x8 Overhead Garage Storage Rack. For anyone whose garage looks like a storage disaster, this one's your hero. The FLEXIMOUNTS ceiling rack can hold up to 750 pounds, keeping boxes, bikes, and clutter off the floor. Made of heavy-duty steel, it's strong, sleek, and turns chaos into clean. It's like giving your garage a second floor, without paying rent for it. Number 4. Pickpiff Black Blanket Ladder. Here's decor that actually does something. This minimalist black metal ladder is perfect for hanging blankets, towels, or magazines, and instantly gives your room a cozy, designer look. Scratch-resistant, easy to assemble, and perfect for anyone who wants style and storage in one frame. It's the simplest way to make your living room Pinterest-worthy. Number 5. MORALVE Beechwood Pants Hangers 2-pack. Let's fix that messy closet. These European Beechwood hangers are sleek, durable, and crazy space-saving. They hold pants, scarves, leggings, even belts, with smooth rods and a 360-degree swivel hook. They look luxurious, smell like real wood, and turn your closet into an organized boutique. Once you hang these, you'll never go back to plastic again. Number 6. HMASYO Couch Coupe Holatry. This is the I'm not getting up gadget of the year. Made from flexible silicone, it hugs your couch armrest tight, keeping your drink, phone, and remote right where you need them. No spills, no clutter, no effort. It's spill-proof, snack-ready, and basically the best friend of every Netflix binge session. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Number 7. PERLESMITH Mobile TV Stand, 23 to 60 inch. Move your TV anywhere. Yes, anywhere. This mobile stand supports up to 88 pounds, works for flat or curved screens, and even has a laptop shelf for streaming, gaming, or presentations. Tilt, roll, and angle it however you want. It's like giving your TV superpowers and your setup total freedom. Number 8. Power Perch Wall Outlet Shelf. Tiny gadget, massive convenience. This little wall shelf turns your boring outlet into smart storage for your Alexa, toothbrush, or phone. No drilling, no tools. It installs in seconds and makes every outlet look expensive. The best part? It's so useful, you'll want one in every room. Small change, big upgrade. Number 9. Foldable Wall-Mounted Clothes Drying Rack. Here's a laundry hack that actually saves space. This 3-fold rack mounts to your wall and folds flat when not in use. Sturdy, sleek, and ideal for small apartments or laundry rooms. It's practical minimalism at its best, clean, clever, and out of the way. Number 10. StorageWorks Large Underbed Containers 2-pack. Out of closet space? Slide these under your bed and relax. These ultra-thick fabric bins with handles and labels keep clothes, blankets, and accessories organized but out of sight. Strong, easy to pull out, and built to last. It's the ultimate low-key storage solution that makes clutter disappear. Which one's going in your cart? Tell me below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out all the product links in the description. Until next time, stay creative, stay organized, and keep exploring with Tools Inspector.